Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to find all posts published on your timeline on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Facebook interface. Next, locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Activity Log. Now that you're in the activity log, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Activity on the left-hand side. Under this section, click on Posts. This will display all posts associated with your account. To refine your view further, click on Other People's Posts to your feed. This option will show posts made by others directly onto your timeline. It's a great way to review interactions and contributions from friends or family. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and organize all posts published on your timeline. Whether it's your own content or posts from others, everything is now just a few clicks away.